Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a Mailto link in Elementor. This is a fantastic way to make it super easy for your website visitors to contact you directly via email with just one click. Let's jump right into it. First things first, head over to your WordPress website dashboard and log in. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Pages section. You can find this on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Click on Pages, then select All Pages from the drop-down menu. This will show you a complete list of all the pages you've created on your WordPress site. Now locate the specific page where you want to add the Mailto link. Once you found it, click on Edit with Elementor. This will open up the Elementor editor interface, which is where all the magic happens. The Elementor editor gives you full control over your page design and makes adding interactive elements like Mailto links incredibly straightforward. Inside the Elementor editor, you'll need to choose the widget where you want to add your Mailto link. For this tutorial, we'll use the text editor widget, which is one of the most versatile options for adding clickable links. If you already have a text editor widget on your page, simply click on it. If not, drag and drop a new text editor widget from the left panel onto your page. Once you've got your text editor widget active, click inside the text area and type "Email us." Of course, you can use any text you prefer, but "Email us" is clear and action-oriented, which works well for encouraging visitors to reach out. Next, highlight the text you just typed. This is the text that will become your clickable Mailto link. After highlighting it, look for the Insert/Edit link icon in the text editor toolbar. It's represented by a chain link symbol and is usually pretty easy to spot among the formatting options. Click on that chain link icon and a small pop-up will appear asking for a URL. Here's where you'll enter your Mailto link. In the URL field, type mailto: your name at example.com. Make sure to replace your name at example.com with your actual email address. This format tells the browser to open the user's default email client with your email address pre-filled in the recipient field. And that's it. You've successfully created a Mailto link in Elementor. When visitors click on that link, their email program will automatically open with a new message addressed to you, making it incredibly convenient for them to get in touch. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.